kinds of InstaMojo versions right now in the market. InstaMojo changed its whole pricing and subscription model. They have gone into the new version. So if you are on a new version, it is a lot more, you know, a lot more clicks, a lot more input. The older version, finally you get back on the same interface inside. But when you create your account, you need a lot of things handy. Okay, your account details, your PAN card, and all these things you will have to keep handy. So if you already have your PAN card or account details, banking details handy in your system, once you click on the link, when it is asking you to open the account, that's all you need, I think. Okay, just go with the flow. Whatever it is asking to open your account, just open that account. So InstaMojo charges some convenience fee and all for you to be using InstaMojo. But generally, if you pass your convenience fee to the customers, sometimes customers don't like it. Okay, so generally I only absorb. Yeah, Razorpay is also fine. Razorpay is also fine. Razorpay is all InstaMojo, Razorpay, Stripe. These are the three products. Why I like InstaMojo? Because of the ease of use. I'm also on Razorpay, but I mean, their interface is a little complicated. Okay, if you feel it is easy, go ahead with that. It is finally about creating a payment link. So now what happens is when you go inside and say now finally, whether you're on the old version or the new version, you will get this screen: create physical product or a digital product or an event ticket or something else. So now for digital product, InstaMojo charges a lot of fee. Event tickets, so I generally, if you are selling directly in products, like whatever we are creating are digital products only, but I don't prefer to categorize my product as digital products because I have to shell a lot of fee. So I generally go to others and create my products. And then what is the product title? I will say create. Now some of you are already creating your account, so you can if you have your bank details handy, I don't think upfront it asks for that. Your account should be open by now, and it will ask what kind of products, what industry you are in. But finally you land up, this is the important piece that you need to understand. Rest of the thing is an account opening process, which is self-explanatory. Okay, so now we are rather than others, let me say event ticket. Okay, this is important for most of you. Event, so you are going to be doing an event, say you are doing a Zoom webinar, Zoom session. What is the name of your program, Lima?
Mine is called Transformational Leadership, or the Power of One.
The Power of One workshop, I will just say. Power of One, transformational, whatever is the name, transformational.
Transformational leadership.
Now describe your product, whatever you will cover, you know, this is very important, you know, your product description, and where it will come from, your GPS, right? Who this program is for, or from Udemy courses, how they write who this is for. First of all, a catchy headline should be here. Okay, I'm just writing. Then the pain of your target audience and how they can overcome them, how they can overcome. I'm just writing the template. Okay, it is not the content, how they can overcome them. Would you like to get rid of your self-confidence issues? Something like this. Would you like to learn how you can use eye makeup without creating a mess, you know, or create beautiful eye makeup which is not very overwhelming for others, something like that. Okay, you know, pain and gain should come in one statement. Pain and gain in one statement I'm going to put, right? Then you will write benefits of the program. Now what rather than I will say what's in it from there, what will they learn, and lot more things here. You can direct them to your know more about you video, know more about me, and you can give the YouTube video link here, or anything anywhere else you want to direct them, you know. So this is important, the description of your product. Okay, now I don't understand what is this, and I have never used it for GST invoicing. My account people do it for me. Okay, and it is optional, so it is really not required. I have not used it anytime, so I've not explored also why I have to use it. But I'll simply put my product category in courses and education, and even this is not required for us basically. Okay, I just say digital, that's all. Okay, or I have still not understood why these product tags are required. Or you could just say that leadership program. You can just say add this, and then you say leadership. I haven't seen much use of why we have to use all this, because as I said, how much is that? I move at a good speed, so I don't let all these things stop me. Okay, so now I will get into, okay, let me understand what is product tagging, go and read about it, and then no, right now I want to create my event and I want to get the payment link handy. This is not really impacting me, so I'm simply leaving it here and moving ahead. Okay, so now if you want to make this free, you can simply click make this free. If you want to make it use as you pay as you want, you can make that. But if you want to put a base price for this event, say it is 2,999, and if you want to limit the quantities, if you have a limited Zoom room, only 100 people can come or 50 people can come, then just go ahead and put 50. No need, but actually no, if you're on a free event, even 500 people sign up, 50 will show up, is a big deal. Okay, so I don't put any limit as such. Now whatever creatives we made there, right? So I'm going to use one of the creative that we made today. Okay, drag or drop your file and upload simply. So I got my creative, and then is it a virtual or an in-person meeting? You can, even for in-person meeting, you can collect payment. Virtual meeting, then what is the Zoom link? Give the Zoom link. If you can put that today's meeting link here, and if you have a password for them to join, and when does the meeting start? This meeting will happen on, say, next Saturday 26th, and when it will end, it will start at 6 p.m. on 26th, 6 p.m. and it will end on 26th at, say, 9 p.m. 3-hour event you are doing. Put the details, put the password if it is applicable, put the Zoom link here, send reminder 60 minutes. Now these were not there before, now they have added this also, send reminder. So a reminder will go from here. Send event details with the payment receipt. So when people receive an email, they will also get the event details. They will get a payment receipt. And now these are advanced stuff. Anyone can become a reseller also of your products, and you can enter how much reseller commission. Say you want to give 30%. Okay, so you can just set that, an advanced setting. You can direct them to your WhatsApp group from here, or your website from here, or whatever, custom redirection means after they make the payment, what should they see next? It can be a thank you page also. It can be your group also, WhatsApp group link, and a custom note to your, say, grateful for your purchase. Okay, and I look forward to serving you. Or whatever is the message, or next steps will be shared in the WhatsApp group, whatever it is. Okay, next steps in our group. And a custom redirection URL. Now suppose I just want to put Vandana Mehrotra, my website I want to give. So these are, a lot of people don't use all these features. Okay, or it could be your WhatsApp group link or telecom group link. Okay, so what is next you want to do, what you want them to do as soon as they make the purchase. Okay, now this webhook URL is used for automation. When somebody is signing up for my program, I use Zapier hook here, auto delivery of my courses on Teachable. When somebody has made the payment, I don't have to go and manually see. When I created coupon codes for my birthday gift, some people have misused the coupon codes. They went ahead, and because I was running short on time, I just created a generic coupon code for all my courses. Some of the people have simply gone ahead and accessed courses which are not even offered to them. Some of them are outdated courses. It's not even applicable right now because things have changed so much, but they simply went ahead left and right and enrolled into all 49, 57, 67 courses that I have. There's no point. You're simply wasting your time, because whatever is important, I've already given it free, is irrelevant, right? Because a lot of things have changed. Those are some 2-year past videos, and some of the video franchisee I've taken, they're not relevant for you. So what happens is, if you create coupon code, there are issues with it. If you create generic coupon codes. So generally when people pay, or I used to have, remember I told I used to sell my whatever you got free course for 4,999. So auto delivery. So account creation will also happen automatically, and you can access the course for this webhook URL. There's a third-party tool we use, Zapier, and from there the auto delivery happens. Okay. SEO options. If you want your product to be listed, then make sure you have some SEO title description. So it starts appearing in InstaMojo. It's like, I can just say knowledge business model or Vandana Mehrotra, I can put SEO title. Okay, so if you go and search my name in InstaMojo, my products will come. If I've done a proper SEO or create your online business, whatever is the offering. So you do all of that, and that's how you add product to the store.